Hi everyone, very good evening, guys. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you, and welcome to technically the first live session under Resolve 2026. So, this happens to be a short orientation session for obviously the students who've already enrolled in this batch, and because it's available for everyone. So, anyone who had any doubts regarding how this batch is framed, what are we going to do under it, how will we proceed with completion of the syllabus. So, all those queries get sorted, and I also tell you how to approach this entire thing for the next few months. So, today's class is predominantly for students who are now going to appear for the June July session of FMG, and I think this is the perfect timing because we just got over with the FMG exam yesterday. We have a certain take home pointers from that exam, and we can now implement those, which, of course, many of you, I believe, have seen the recorded lessons back in your college or off and on. But now, when you'll be with us in these live classes, how can we actually get you pointers from the recent exam and incorporate that? I think all of that I'll be able to tell you today. So, okay, a lot of students who are asking about NEET PG. Yes, we will also be updating all of you within this week itself. I think you must be able to see it on the app also. But yes, we will have another session for you. But predominantly, the orientation part in terms of how to study pretty much remains the same. The exam changes, a few things regarding the marking changes, a few topics change, but overall the study pattern remains the same, right? So you can hear me out today as well. Regarding your final schedule, you will definitely get one within this week. Okay, coming back, what exactly is the plan? I think all of you know, but I'll just give you an overview. This is how it starts, today being the first orientation session, and your classes start off from tomorrow. As a warm up, we've started with shorter subjects. I know many of you were expecting that we'll start off with something like first year subjects, anatomy, physiology, but to immediately make you dive into such heavy subjects can be a little overwhelming to begin with. But imagine now in 2 days, that's where the dermatology part is. So you start off with dermatology, and then within 2 days, you're done with the subject. You know, that mental relief that out of 19 subjects, I'm done with one. So that gives you a lot of confidence that, I'm on my track. And as soon as you'll finish any subject, as you can see over here, after every subject, the immediate next day is going to be the test and discussion. So now this is what the faculty and you will be doing live. The classes will be live. Either the classes will be the morning 6 hour slot, that is in the morning from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock, or the evening 6 hour slot. So overall 6 to 8 hours is the estimated time depending on the subject. Dermatology can be done within 6 to 7 hours per day. Something like anat pathology or medicine will require 8 hours per day. So yes, the timings will vary, and you will have a test and discussion. So the test you give and the live discussion happens the very same day. So this is where 3 days you have given and you finished off a subject. Now, if you go through this in the beginning, we've not, again, as I said, we've not just thrown everything on you all together. We are giving you time to adjust. Once you are adjusted, on Jan 25th, there's another session. Then you start gradually, as you see, with another short subject, that is psychiatry. So now in the remaining 15 days, where I feel most of the students in January never start studying for their FMG exam. They are still trying to figure out कहाँ से पढ़ना है, how much do I have to study, which Q bank do I have to do, which teachers do I have to follow, which Telegram PDFs do I have to download. In that entire confusion, you will not even realize how 15 days of January, or 11, 12 days of January are going to go away. And suddenly, when I go to Jan 31st, you will realize with this, you are already done with two short subjects. Now only 17 left. So you see how that ticker is going off, and gradually you are coming to a lesser number. There, after that, now you start off with your real subjects. Your first year subjects will begin. And I'm not going to read out, but you can see you have like 4 days of anatomy, 4 days of physiology, which is good enough, but that'll give you such a strong hold over medicine. After that, you've got 2 days of FMT, and then you realize in the middle of February, where everyone is still warming up and now they are getting into the pace. By the time everyone else will get into the momentum, you're done with 5 subjects. That is why it's so important to have a structure in your preparation, because if you have the structure, you will follow it. Reason being, what students think is that I have to do 19 subjects. If you tell me that you have to do 19 subjects in 3 months, I'll get so panicked. It'll be very panicky as a situation for me, right? That kaise hoga? How will I be able to cover it? What will happen to my Q bank? What will happen to my revision? But then that means I'm looking at the entire staircase. And if I look at right at the top of the staircase where I have to go, it becomes so difficult because I feel so tired already that I have to climb 100 stairs. It is not going to happen. Versus if you tell me, no, just keep climbing every single stair every single day and don't think about it, but at the end of the 100th day, you will reach the 100th stair, which is the top. And that is exactly what Resolve is all about. You don't have to look at the entire staircase. You just have to look at आज क्या पढ़ना है? What has ma'am told me to study today? Dermatology, be it so. That's just what I have to see today. Tomorrow also what I have to study. Tomorrow I have a TND, khatam. So you will realize as you will go only in one step, you won't even realize how you've reached the 100th day, which makes it so easier to, this is known as micromanagement. This is known as dividing your time into small blocks. Rather than looking at the entire situation, you are going to reach there eventually, but you're going through it through very minor blocks. Gradually, you will realize, yes, doctor, someone's asked me that, is this rapid revision or main lectures? So see, I would not, what I have gathered after yesterday's exam, and I'll be very honest, there is no replacement of main videos. If you tell me that ma'am main videos or rapid revision, as a faculty I will always say na main videos padho. But now then as a student I understand when you have to do 70 hours of pathology, I will obviously want you to do this. But then you also have to do 150 hours of medicine then. You also have to do an 80 hours of surgery. Like that when you will have to do for all 19 subjects, कर तो लोगे, I have that confidence in you. But then it will already be May by the time you finish your syllabus. When will you revise? That is where the problem with main videos comes. So all of you then switch to rapid revision. What I've seen as a problem nowadays is, like a lot of students yesterday were saying, ma'am, the questions were not exactly from marathon. And questions were somewhat from LRR. And then I was like, your reference cannot be a marathon. Marathon is a 50-minute lecture. What was supposed to be studied for 70 hours, you should do it in 50 minutes and get your final 25 questions correct. That is a very tall claim. You cannot do that. But yes, if you're doing rapid revision, then you should be extremely dedicated towards it. अब rapid revision is what? 15 hours, 17 hours, subject to subject. उसमें से भी students are filtering out information and they are wanting to do कि अच्छा bone pathology छोड़ दो, I will not study it. Let me not study this topic because I will read it in some other subject. In that also you're trying to take a shortcut. Shortcut में shortcut लगाओगे तो नहीं होगा. So that is exactly where we came up with live classes, that they don't know how much to study. So I would say we've come to a middle ground. Neither am I going to teach you as much as main videos because वो तो फिर the point of it is lost, right? You just put everything under it. Nor am I going to teach you just rapid revision. Then I would have told you to study the recorded videos only. We are going to teach you more than rapid revision for sure, but we are going to teach you lesser than main videos, or probably what I'll say is that I am going to concise main videos so that it becomes doable. हम बस main videos के 70 hours को छोटा करेंगे ताकि आप कर सको, but आपके topics वही cover होंगे. That is the agenda. So we are finding a middle ground over here. That question I think is settled. All of these are going to be live classes, repeating if anyone had any doubt. Just like you have offline classes in a way where you sit, but over there it's tiring because you're sitting from 12 hours at a stretch, and then sitting, at a offline center on a certain chair without any relaxation, without any breaks, becomes difficult. Here you're sitting at your comfort zone, maybe in the library, maybe at your home, but it's entirely live, exactly like any other live classes you've seen on any platform. Now coming to, yes, you've got FMT. We've kept a couple of days extra for tougher subjects. Pharma nahi hoga na 4 दिन में because you have so much to study. याद करना, it's toxic after some time, so we've kept 5 days. Same for pathology, I've kept 6 days because I want to integrate it with medicine. Patho का base नहीं बनेगा, how will you do questions of medicine? And then I've kept another day for TND. Then you have pediatrics. Same way it keeps going on, and in between you will see that whenever you'll feel that अच्छा अब ज़्यादा हो रहा है, I think I'm losing track, you will have a mentorship session from our faculties. Mostly I will be there showing my face to you almost every single day. Or you will have a mentorship session with one of your seniors who've appeared for the same exam, because I will be able to guide you like a faculty, like a friend, but someone who's gone in the exam yesterday वो जो आपको insight देगा student, that insight even I cannot give because he has experienced how is it to sit in front of the computer screen. क्या anxiety होता है, क्या panic attack होता है when you see the first question pop up on your screen. So you will have mentorship sessions from a lot of students who've given the exam, and gradually you can see we've got all these subjects lined up. Again, in the March end, I will come with 5 days of micro, which is your favorite. This session saw so much of micro and biochem, and lots and lots of questions came. So these subjects are important. We've kept them a little towards March so that by that time, you are in the groove, you are in the entire system, you know how to handle toxic subjects. Finally, we come to April, where we've kept ophthal, ortho, ENT, anesthesia, medicine. Like always, we've split 3 plus 3 because 6 days medicine padhoge, it's very, very intimidating all of a sudden. So what we said, 3 days medicine, beech mein chota subject kar lo, radio, anyone can do that, happy subject. And then you come down to 3 days of medicine, and that is where you do a final end to it. So now coming to your other questions, that what will it be? Yes, PDF. PDF will be given to you before the class, वो unannotated PDF. After the class is done, the faculty will give you the annotated PDF. तो basically आपको दो PDFs मिल रहे हैं. Now you download the PDF before the class. If you want to write in it, your wish. If you don't want to write, you just want to listen. Depends on, let's say for example, I might sound very self-obsessed, but अगर if I talk about my class, मेरी handwriting ठीक ठाक है. You can read my handwriting. So you might feel that maybe I will take annotated PDF from ma'am after the class and I can read her handwriting, समझ आ जाता है. तो maybe I don't have to make my own notes. But maybe for some other faculty you feel कि नहीं, we are doctors, some of our handwritings are really not readable. So you might not feel कि इनका handwriting मुझे समझ आएगा. You make your own notes. Second, some students concentrate better when you write. You might be listening to a screen, you might zone out. आपका concentration नहीं बनेगा. Versus if you're constantly taking down points, means you've engaged your entire brain into that system. So you will be able to take down the notes better, retain better. तो आप अपने notes भी बना सकते हो. PDF आपको मिलेगा. It is entirely your wish how you want to write or not. Second question bank. Of course, you will have the prep ladder question bank. So now I'll tell you what I've decided. Things that we will be doing in class are these, which means this will answer all your questions. Live class हो जाएगा, syllabus जितना पढ़ना था that will be done. PDF you will get both before class, after class. TND will be done live, which means that now only reading theory is not going to help ना. मैंने आपको पढ़ा दिया step ladder pattern is seen in apoptosis, but then you might get a question that can step ladder pattern be seen sometimes in necrosis also. ये वाला glitch, ये वाला twist, who will teach you? Maybe I teach you bone tumors, but if I don't correlate it with orthopedics, क्या radiology में कैसा दिखेगा? So if I don't do a TND, the entire purpose is diluted. So TND will also happen live. You will give a test in the morning, faculty will discuss it with you in the afternoon. Then you will have 4 to 5 grand tests. Again, you are scared of grand tests, we know it. Most students who begin in January, वो March, April तक GT देते ही नहीं है. Thinking that I will first finish my 19 subjects, then I will give my GT, and that's the biggest mistake. You have to start giving your GTs anytime when you finish 5 subjects. Start कर दो. Don't focus on 150 you've crossed or not. Start GTs, and you will have to give GTs in this entire timetable. Finally, your mentorship whenever you're down and out, this will help you. तो ये तो हमने things इस program में करी. अब now I feel that if you are just thinking, and I'll be very honest, if you think कि मैंने तो resolve join कर लिया, now I'll clear the exam, because they will do all the work ना. वो मुझे live पढ़ाएंगे, they will give me test and discussion, they will give me the PDF. So then no, you will not clear the exam. Very honestly I'm telling you, because nothing will work unless you do. It might sound like a very cliche कि मैम ये क्या आपने motivational line copy paste करा है, but I'll tell you reality. Because as a faculty I will say I am teaching you, you have to listen to me, but as a student I will say कि self study से अच्छा study कुछ नहीं होता. All the apps and lectures are to guide you, are to aid you, कि आपका काम आसान हो जाए, things become easier for you. Nothing can be a replacement for self study. Till the time you don't open the PDF and you don't revise it 3 times by yourself, no faculty and no platform can help you. Trust me on that. Till the time you don't, after the class, after everything is pura, when the noise is entirely gone, in that silence, when you sit with your PDF and revise it 3 times before the exam, that is the game changer. Nothing else is going to change your life as much as that will. So अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to do, I feel most of the faculties will give you some homework. Not that 2-3 घंटे का homework, some small homework. Like for example, if I am teaching you cardiomyopathy, I might give you a small homework that okay, I've taught you cardiomyopathy, but chalo medicine ke notes mein se, from the medicine videos, see 5 minutes of that topic and come, we will discuss tomorrow. That ways I could have also taught you, but why am I wanting? I'm wanting you to do active learning. I'm wanting आप अपने medicine के notes खोलो, you read that one topic that I've told you, 5 minutes का homework, 10 minutes का homework, you will read it, you will know better. Next day you come, because we'll have classes for 5-6 days. Next day you come, I ask you, पढ़ा था, what did you study? Tell me. You teach me. By teaching, you will learn. So homework I will give you every day. Most faculties will give you. So that is 5-10 minute आपको करना है. उसके अलावा revision, whatever PDF you have got, before you join the next morning class, you have to revise. Now I would want आप अपना discipline. Let's assume आपका 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock class है. I'm just giving an assumption. Some faculties will take the morning slot. Some I will, like for me, I will take evening slot, because I know our FMG students, even NEET PG students, somehow morning में you are not so alert, and evening not late night classes, but I'm giving you that time. Let's assume any one slot. चलो मान लो सुबह class है, तो अब 3 o'clock या 4 o'clock तक भी अगर your class is done, let's say you take a break till 5 o'clock, उसके बाद your 5 to 9 what you're gonna do is going to make the difference. 9 to 5 तो faculty has done the work, you have been listening. 5 to 9 what you do makes all the difference, which means now you will first revise the PDF मिल गया, notes are already in front of you, अब उसे बैठ के पूरे दिन का PDF 50 pages, 40 pages, 30 pages, जितना भी पढ़ा you have to revise. That is one work. After that you're going to do the Q bank. That is something you will do. See, faculties will revise PYQs with you. Faculties will tell you यहाँ पे question आएगा, this is something which you have to keep track of, गलती मत करना. But till you don't solve, you have not solved the purpose. So now you will do a question bank, and that is something which 9 or 10 maximum तब तक हो जाएगा. My advice to you is start off with 50 questions per day, because you're starting with shorter subjects like derma, psychiatry. Gradually you have to move up to 100 questions per day, and then by March I want you to clock in 150 questions per day. So why am I saying this? Starting में तो derma psychiatry में तो questions कम है, तो 50 questions and एक momentum बन गया. Okay, every day I'm doing 50 questions. Very good. First, and how should you be doing before you ask me that, ma'am, should I be doing custom module or subject wise? If you're studying subject wise, do subject wise. एक बार let's assume that you did subject wise, because with dermatology आपका derma Q bank खत्म होना चाहिए. While you are doing dermatology Q bank, what will you bookmark? Only the things which you felt PDF में नहीं, because extra questions तो आएंगे ना. Despite doing any class, any lecture, you get extra questions. If you feel the question is of a very very, sometimes it's very bizarre, वो करना ही नहीं होता, leave it. But if you think that no, I made a mistake, I studied bullous disorders, but I made a mistake in a question of pemphigus vulgaris, so now I should bookmark this. उसे bookmark करके रख. What do you bookmark? What is not there in your notes, or what you are making a mistake? Students are bookmarking, I've seen they're bookmarking 8,000 questions which they can never do on the last day before the exam. Bookmark बहुत कंजूसी से करना है. Very very judiciously you have to bookmark your questions. How much can I do? In dermatology you should not have more than 20 to 30 questions bookmarked at the max, because it's a short subject. So be very careful. Only bookmark जो नहीं है, या फिर you are making a mistake. तो Q bank is also done. So you are doing what? You are doing subject wise Q bank, not custom module, till you realize that okay, अब यहाँ पे मेरा derma हो गया, I have some break days in between. Starting में we've given you some break days to get into the system, and some of you might be joining in right after FMG exam yesterday, where you feel that नहीं ठीक हुआ, I want to join and start right away. So you'll get into that mode gradually, right? You can't just snap out of an exam the next day. So now I'll realize in these days maybe you can do a custom module. कुछ तो आपने पहले भी पढ़ा है. Even if you're starting on a blank slate with us, never mind, some basic MBBS knowledge you have. On your break days you should start doing custom modules. मतलब इस break days में अगर आपने derma as it is नहीं revise करा, and whatever subject you've studied earlier नहीं revise करा, then this means you are lagging in your management. So custom module will come gradually. जब आपके 5-6 subjects हो जाएंगे, धीरे धीरे you will move on to custom, but starting में you will do subject wise. After this you are asking me that is it sufficient, or will we have to do main videos? As I said, mainly yes, this is sufficient. If a faculty says, like for example, if I am teaching you, I will teach you everything from FMG and NEET PG standard, कुछ तो ऐसा एक दो टॉपिक होगा ना which I think नहीं यार, this is too advanced, this is INI CT level. What I'll do, I'll give you a list of every day. If I'm teaching you 7 hours, I'll give you a list of 2 topics, 10 minutes, I'll say, if you have read my notes thoroughly, काम खत्म हो गया है दिन का, and if you get time, read these two topics. Maybe I want you to study something called autophagy. Autophagy doesn't come in FMG exam. It comes a lot in INICT. So maybe I'll tell you that, autophagy is a question that comes in INICT. If you can, read it from the main videos. If you don't read it, तो ऐसा कोई बहुत लाइफ और डेथ वाला सिचुएशन नहीं है. बट इफ़ यू गेट टाइम, 5 मिनट्स मेन वीडियो से पढ़ लेना. तो 95% तो दिस सिलेबस इज गुड टू गो. 5% there will always be a lacuna. That 5% if you can cover up from the main videos, never mind, you can. But even if you don't, तो ऐसा कोई पास फेल वाला सिचुएशन आएगा नहीं. So that's okay. Okay, coming to the next, integrated learning with any other subject. So Dr. Sana, faculties are not coming together to teach you, as in a single session will not have two faculties, but everyone will take care. Like for example, if dermatology ma'am is starting, Khushbu ma'am is teaching you bullous disorders, तो pemphigus में she will teach you कि हाँ pathology में row of tombstone appearance दिखता है. She will teach you कि fishnet pattern दिखता है, even though it is a pathology slide. So she is gonna teach you and she will make my work so easier, because now in pathology I will not have to teach you derma. So what will I do? Will I skip it? No, I will, on the last day of pathology or probably in the test and discussion, I will say कि अच्छा डर्मा में भी 10 चीज़ें पढ़ी थी ना, सोरियासिस पढ़ा था, लाइकन प्लेनस पढ़ा था, पेम्फिगस पढ़ा था, बुल्लस पेम्फिगट पढ़ा था. क्विकली एज अ टेबल, in one table, quickly tell me all the findings. So what you did in January, suddenly you will be revising with me in February, so integration will happen. So two faculties are not coming together in a session, but everyone individually will take care कि हाँ कि ये, if I am teaching you cardiomyopathy, Marwa sir will also teach you cardiomyopathy. I am teaching you in February, sir will teach you in April. But again, if I will tell you कि अच्छा banana shaped heart is seen in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, sir will also revise that with you in medicine. So integration will happen automatically. Don't worry, that वो हमारी, some things leave to us. That is our responsibility. We will take care of it. Okay. English or English, predominantly the classes will be in English, because that is one universal language which everyone is understanding. Some students will obviously want classes to be in English also. Now live classes we can't conduct in two separate batches, that English separate, English separate. In between, yes, maybe some mnemonics, maybe some concept. If a student says, I've not understood this concept, can you ma'am please explain it once in English? That's okay. So what I'm wanting to say is that if I talk in English for any sentence, I might have some students who don't understand Hindi at all, but I will repeat that same sentence in English also. So you will have to do a little bit of selective learning, because we want to do more of a community learning. Now we can't be so strict that I know English, so I don't care about anyone who wants to study in Hindi, or I want to study in Hindi, so I don't care if you understand or not. We have to be I mean, we can't bring the toxicity of the outer world in our live class. Now our live class is going to be a very sacred place where we'll be wanting कि I should also pass and the student sitting next to me should also pass. तो हमें थोड़ा सा a friendly atmosphere we will create, and whatever the students want, faculties know Hindi and English both. Now, depending on what the students want in that particular live class, we will adjust. There is no strict rule, but English predominantly, everything will be spoken once in English for sure, so that everyone watching it later can understand. And someone asked me that I will be able to watch again or not. Yes, we are not that strict that if live is over and then now you've missed it, if you didn't come to class. Although don't get that in your system. रीज़न बीइंग, अगर मुझे पता है ना कि अच्छा डर्माटोलॉजी मिस हो गया, नेवर माइंड, आई हैव 2 days ब्रेक, तब देख लेंगे, तो फिर तो देन व्हाई डिड यू बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ रिजॉल्व क्लासेस? यू कुड हैव वॉच्ड रैपिड रिविजन. डिसिप्लिन इज वॉट वीव गॉट दीज लाइव क्लासेस फॉर ना, कि अपने से तो दे आर नॉट फिनिशिंग डर्माटोलॉजी इन 2 days विच दे शुड हैव. अपने से तो दे आर सिटिंग फॉर 1 week एंड डूइंग डर्माटोलॉजी. सो नाउ वी विल मेक देम सिट एंड मेक देम फिनिश डर्मा with the Q bank, with the TND, and 3 days में we will give them a completed subject in one go. Discipline is why you have joined this class. So हाँ ठीक है, if sometimes someone has an emergency, you maybe you're not feeling well, maybe you're just not in the zone to study, we understand. For those, you have the recording. जो लाइव होगा, सेम रिकॉर्डिंग यू विल बी गिवन एज इट इज़, द सेशन विल बी देयर. बट डोंट बिकम हैबिचुअल ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज देन योर बैकलॉग विल बी नेवर एंडिंग. डर्मा का बैकलॉग आते आते यू वॉन्ट इवन रियलाइज कब पैथो तक क्लासेस चली गई एंड यू नॉट स्टडीड. सो उसे बैक ऑफ द माइंड रखोगे ना, तो बॉडी क्लॉक ऐसे ही चलेगा that okay, I can do it tomorrow. No, you can't. You have to join the class today. You have to study it today. Is it available for NEET PG? We are coming up with this week. I told everyone that NEET PG also will be announced within this week. getting the entire, like, this timetable has taken a lot of time to get all faculty dates, to get everything in a structure. It might seem just like a table to you, but we've planned which subject comes after what subject. So just that planning for NEET PG is also ongoing, and we'll try our best that is predominantly gonna look like this. We will give it to you within this week. Can we use the rapid revision notes for live session? Yes. Anyone who's already studied in your MBBS days or in the previous sessions you've studied, you can use the same notes. See, the best part of live classes is that the same faculty who taught you main videos and rapid revision are the faculties who are going to teach you live classes. So the way of teaching is the same. If I'm teaching you pathology, the way I'll teach you in rapid revision, same mnemonics, same stories, same concepts, same way of teaching, same person. So when I take a live class, yes, you will see a change between me in rapid revision just talking to a camera with no one in front of me, not asking questions, not interacting, versus me in a live class where I will irritate you. Irritate you means I will make you repeat everything. Ki nahi, if once a fried egg appearance comes and it comes 5 times in pathology, so every time a fried egg appearance comes, I will say, you stop. You tell me all the previous fried egg appearances. So you will actually find me irritating in live classes that ma'am bus और रिविजन नहीं करना मुझे. I am done. It is, I will remember this for 10 years now. That is why what I want to tell you here is interaction will be more. So if you want to sit with the rapid revision notes, you definitely can, because the teachers and the concepts are the same. It's just that we will be more interactive, we will ask you more questions, and we will explain more conceptually rather than just, sometimes recording is just talking to a camera, whereas live is talking to a human being. So that difference certainly comes. If you want to sit with your rapid revision notes, koi bhi dikkat nahi hai. Perfect, no worries. Um, no, the faculties, as some of you are asking me, the faculties are the same as the ones who are taking our subjects, 19 subjects on the platform. Same exact faculties. There's no change, no other subject being taken by anyone else. FMG oriented, yes, Dr. Vishal, ये FMG oriented है, and TND भी FMG oriented है, but आजकल सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, कल वाला रिकॉल सेशन देखा, कल वाले कुछ लोग तो कह रहे हैं कल का पेपर केम फ्रॉम चैट जीपीटी. FMG and NEET PG का distinction has become like a, what, 10% भी बहुत ज़्यादा, I'll say. It's not even 10% difference now. Same ही है. FMG students are also doing NEET PG PYQs. NEET PG students are doing FMG PYQs. Difference is in the marking system, that FMG students don't have negative marking and NEET PG do. So that pattern of the exam is definitely very different. But topics are up. Yesterday they were giving you CD markers in FMG. That is a NEET PG INI-CT topic. Yesterday I saw that PSM had 3-4 totally new questions. So that distinction पहले तो हमें ही हटाना पड़ेगा ना कि ये FMG है या ये NEET PG. अब बस एक मेडिकल एंट्रेंस है. नेगेटिव मार्किंग का सिस्टम अलग है, पैटर्न अलग है डॉक्टर विशाल, बट एग्ज़ाम पढ़ना वही है. सो ऐसा कुछ अलग डिस्टिंक्शन है नहीं, बचा नहीं है. ठीक है. Paper was same but more lengthy. Yes. So that is what I'm saying. Lengthy paper कब बनता है? When you are doing integration, when you are having too many subjects and you are integrating all those subjects. एक ही question में path भी है, medicine भी है, little bit of radiology also. When you write 6 lines, it will become lengthy, and that is what happened in yesterday's paper 2. Paper 2, 50 to 60 questions. Everyone was very troubled कि 6 lines पढ़ते पढ़ते ही हमारा time चला गया. तो वो वाला तो you will have to. So our TNDs will take care of that. If I'm teaching you 100 questions in my TND, I will make sure that I've kept a mix. 30 questions are one-liners, 30 questions are image-based, 30 to 40 questions are to do with the integration, thoda lengthy question, medicine integration. 10 to 20 questions are also to do with match the following, which is a pattern which you saw yesterday. So TND will take care of it, and rest your Q bank. So we will take care of that. If we start from zero, yes, this is a batch which is not that. If you've studied before, excellent, you will obviously reinforce. If you've not studied, if you just come to me saying that ma'am, consider me like a first year MBBS student, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, so I am starting with cell injury ना. I will start with, what is the most common cause of cell injury? It is hypoxia, that first line of pathology. From there I will build you up all the way to doing myocardial infarction, to doing cardiomyopathy, to doing brain tumors. So वो एक process है. That process is exactly what 6 days is going to be. But in that I require, अब उसमें what I require from your end. If I am saying that नहीं, I look at a batch, I feel that students know everything, I will go a little faster. But if I feel that no, students right now are starting off, they don't know everything, I will go a little slower. Live class mein I will accordingly manage my pace. So I might feel that maybe I can teach them 1 hour extra and I can give them better concepts. तो उस टाइम पे ब्रेक नहीं मांगना. दैट इज़ द एडवाइस दैट आई वांट टू गिव यू एंड दैट इज द एफर्ट आई वांट फ्रॉम यू. कि if I want to, instead of 7 hours, if I say no, today's class will be 8 hours, I will give you breaks, but I will teach for 8 hours. That time you can't say that no ma'am, we are tired, we can't study more. वो नहीं. That effort, that dedication, then I will need from you also. Even if you're starting with a fresh slate, I am ready to give you, and every faculty is here to solve every concept of yours. Live class में तो doubts होंगे. हाँ, what we'll decide is that first we will study for 2 hours, then we'll have a 10-minute gap. 10 minutes में we will take up doubts so that class का flow बना रहे. बीच बीच में doubts will break the continuity. We'll do 1 hour of class, we will say अच्छा आप बताओ क्या doubts हैं, we will solve. Then we will do another 1 hour of class, 5 minutes doubts. You will have a break also, you will have your doubts also. दिसंबर में देना है FMG, या यू कैन स्टडी इट राइट नाउ. डॉक्टर नितिन, ये हमारा एक नोशन है कि दिसंबर का एग्ज़ाम है तो जुलाई वाला बैच के बाद ज्वाइन करेंगे. जुलाई वाले बैच के बाद क्या पैथो बदल जाएगा? नहीं. एम आई गोइंग टू टीच न्यू सिस्टम्स? नो. सेम कार्डियक, सेम रेसिपी, सेम लिवर, सेम GIT. सो दैट मीन्स दैट इफ़ यू कैन फिनिश, अगर टाइम है, so then study it right now, na? Then that means that after the June July session and this entire batch is over, the next 6 months you are getting an advantage. You will be able to study these notes again, and maybe that time you can just do TND. तब आपको इतना पूरा class, it's, I mean, that's the best advantage that you can actually take out of this, that you finish all the class wala system now and you do revision for 6 months. There cannot be anything better than that. Okay, NEET PG live classes, I will be, as I said, guys, I know you've shown a lot of patience, but give us another 2-3 days, because I don't want to give you half information, which might just be a little, as a disadvantage for you. Give me 2-3 days, give the team 2-3 days to just plan out the entire thing, and everything that you're asking regarding lab 2 revision and NEET PG, etc. We'll let you know everything. Um, Yes, Dr. Vishal. See, as I told you right now, I was telling students that आपका ये integrated ही होगा. This is going to be integrated. हाँ, not two people teaching in the same go, because that will never finish the syllabus. But integrated in the sense, faculties will take care कि हम एक दूसरे का subject पढ़ा रहे हैं. If I am teaching female genital tract, तो I will tell you the tumor markers of ovarian tumors, which Shonali ma'am will also tell you. But I will also tell you कि अच्छा डिसजर्मिनोमा का ट्यूमर मार्कर, कल योक सैक ट्यूमर, कल सेमिनोमा आया था, सेमिनोमा का ट्यूमर मार्कर, दैट्स प्रितेश सर विल ऑल्सो टेल यू इन सर्जरी. तो इंटीग्रेशन तो अपने आप होगा ना. एंड बेस्ट इंटीग्रेशन विल हैपन इन दीज क्लासेस, बिकॉज वेन वी विल गिव यू क्वेश्चंस, तो आई विल नॉट ओनली गिव यू क्वेश्चन कि अच्छा मेरा सिर्फ पैथो वाला क्वेश्चन करो. आई विल हैव टू गिव यू अ पेशेंट ऑफ हार्ट अटैक, तो आई विल ऑल्सो हैव टू टेल यू कि कार्डियक मार्कर्स क्या थे, वॉट वर द कार्डियक बायोमार्कर्स, वॉट वॉज द स्टेटस ऑफ ट्रोपोनिन. If I'm teaching you, let's say, brain tumors or meningitis, in meningitis I will have to tell you, na, like in medicine, what is the level of glucose in CSF, what is the level of cells of CSF. So integration अपने आप हो जाएगा. Faculties will take care of that. Um, no, the batch that Dr. Faiz Alam, this is only for the June-July session. Dr. Aishwarya, main videos, honestly, we don't have a problem. Main videos, I will teach you. Let's say pathology, instead of 6 days, I teach you for 8 days, 8 to 10 days, and I teach you main videos. I have two concerns over here. If you study every subject for 15 days, will you finish your syllabus ever? First reading भी खत्म होगा? नहीं होगा. Second, खत्म भी हो जाएगा, then will you be able to revise it? I want you to revise it 2 to 3 times. Do you think you will be able to revise every subject 70 hours? Will you be able to revise it 2 to 3 times over? हाँ, if you've done the main videos earlier, पहले से एक बार करा हुआ है, I have all notes ready, I have seen, then you can directly go on to main videos, or you can do these sessions, and if you feel that अच्छा 5-10% main videos में extra था, you can revise that. But we are not going to put entire main, then to this course the purpose is lost. The purpose of this syllabus is rapid revision से ज़्यादा पढ़ाना है. Main videos में, what do you think? Main videos में we have kept in mind a person who's in second prof, उसको भी pathology समझ आना चाहिए. So I have to teach in a way that I am teaching a person who has never studied anything in MBBS. So that is why main videos will also prepare you for prof exams, long questions, short notes, etc. I don't have to do all of that right now na for FMG. तो उसी main videos में उसी cell injury के chapter को which I have taught for 6 hours, I will narrow it down to 2 hours. Am I cutting the content? No. I am making tables. I am making flow charts. वो मेरा एक्सपर्टीज है दैट हाउ आई विल मेक इट शॉर्टर बट आई विल मेक यू सॉल्व ऑल क्वेश्चंस. तो आपका तो फ़ायदा है ना. वॉट यू वर स्टडिंग फॉर 6 hours, if I teach you in 2 hours and you can solve the same questions, so then it's a win-win situation for you, that you can do the same work in half the time, the same output in half the time. That is what these classes are all about. um, दोनों प्लान में क्या डिफरेंस है? आई डेंट अंडरस्टैंड. कौन से दोनों प्लान्स? इफ़ यू टेक एलीट, एलीट इज़ ओनली योर रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस जैसा प्लेटफॉर्म पे चल रहा है विद क्यू बैंक. इफ़ यू टेक द सुपर एलीट प्लान देन इट इज़ विद लाइव. बाकी सब तो है ही, रिकॉर्डेड नोट्स एक्सेट्रा. यू सुपर एलीट में यू गेट लाइव क्लासेस. दीज आर दी ओनली टू प्लान्स, डॉक्टर विशाल. After 30th of April, yes, Dr. Aditya, we will have a revision schedule, because you know that we also have the RRR classes, na? So that revision schedule will not be theory classes because fayda nahi hai. That revision schedule will be more of your to do with test and discussion, to doing questions. That kind of revision will happen after 30th of April. Can you buy NEET PG Resolve today? Yes, you can, definitely. You can. There might be 1 to 2 days. The app might not support this because we are uploading a lot of things. We are, uploading the timetable, the scheduling. तो वो back end पे technical काम चल रहा है for NEET PG. So I would suggest that, I mean, if you want to buy, you can, but wait for 1 or 2 days. Reason being, you will also have more clarity ना. I don't want you to buy something without knowing that क्या होने वाला है उसके अंदर. So as a friend, I would say that अभी लेके क्लास तो नहीं शुरू होना ना. टुमारो नीट पीजी क्लास इज नॉट स्टार्टिंग. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय फॉर नीट पीजी तो 2 दिन और रुक जाओ. once the plan is entirely there, you are fully satisfied that yeah, I've seen everything, then you buy. Never buy without looking at what you are going in for. um, Acha. Yes, for those I thought you guys knew, and in case you didn't, I'll tell you. Things done में there is going to be a Telegram group. You know, these days, all the Telegram groups have 90% scams, 10% faculties trying to put in questions in between those scams. So we decided that we will have a private Telegram group, which will only be for students who have subscribed to this entire Resolve 2026. So private group means it's only all of us, and hopefully we will not scam each other. So that distraction is gone. And faculties will also be a part of it. So that means faculties के भी होंगे and technical people. So कोई technical issue आ रहा है, this is your go to place. कोई faculty related doubt आ रहा है, this is your go to place. If you want anything, let's say you have a class with me today. Today you are saying that ma'am कल के लिए I was studying but मुझे ये topic समझ नहीं आया. So tomorrow can you take out 5 minutes and teach us this? So then that ways you don't have to find where should I contact the faculty. This is your go-to place where you can contact faculties, you can solve doubts. We will also keep posting MCQs and quizzes. तो वो भी एक आपको one stop solution बन गया. So Telegram group होगा. Yes, definitely. Anyone who's following Resolve 2026, then आप दो चीज़ें नहीं करोगे. You want to recorded भी करो, resolve भी करो. Then this is it. If you're doing Resolve, then you are now only listening to this video lecture, solving this PDF and doing the QBank. Then you don't have to do multiple things in one go. ये हमने बनाया ही है so that this is like your one-stop solution for everything. You don't have to run around here and there. Okay, if you've completed some subjects from main videos, should I complete this from live classes, Dr. Lovely? What you can do, अगर main videos पे, if you have a good hold, you can attend live classes with the same notes. You can keep your previous notes in front of you and you can attend the live classes. That way what will happen, आपका notes भी revise हो गया, and then out of those notes you will know that okay, ma'am is teaching what all topics which are high yielding, which are the topics which I have to know that ये तो पक्का वाला revision I need. So that ways you will have a visual memory of your previous notes and you will be able to know high yielding. So that's how you solve it. Thank you, Dr. Vishwa. It means a lot. Thank you so much. How to join Telegram group? Once you subscribe on an email, you will get the method of joining. You will be given a link and everything will be provided to you over an email. हाँ, डॉक्टर विशाल लाइव क्लास का रिकॉर्डिंग होगा, बिल्कुल होगा। Will RRR NEET PG overlap? No, we will not let anything overlap. We will make sure that things are segregated. Dr. Harsimran, if you're in fifth year, if time permits, you can join, depending on how your classes and how your schedule back in college is. तो अब ये टाइम टेबल आपके सामने है, you know morning and evening classes होगा. If you think you can accommodate this time, the earlier the better. If you feel that my classes will be missed, then to the purpose is lost. Then I would say that finish off your university things and when you have the time. But my advice is कि अगर थोड़ा सा भी extra push करके कर सकते हो with that extra hard work, फिनिशिंग ऑफ योर सिलेबस अर्लियर द बेटर. जितना डिले करोगे कुछ मिलने नहीं वाला. इफ़ यू कैन टेक आउट द टाइम, प्लीज़ डू. How will we, can we join the first class free? Yes, guys, because I know, sometimes when something is happening for the very first time, everyone has their doubts. कैसा होगा? How are things, कैसे पढ़ाएंगे? App कैसा होगा? How will I get, how is the workflow? PDF कैसे मिलेगा? What will happen? So tomorrow's first, only this class, the first day of this class is free for everyone. So if you still have any doubts that no, I want to experience this firsthand and then take my decision on whether I want to enroll or not, tomorrow एक बार attend कर लो. You will get the entire workflow. Khushbu ma'am anyway teaches wonderfully. She will teach you half of dermatology tomorrow and you will get to know कि अच्छा content का जो सबको doubt आ रहा है ना कि कितना पढ़ाएंगे, कैसे पढ़ाएंगे, starting में बहुत सारे doubts आते हैं, which is fine. And I myself say, मैं तो खुद बोल रही हूँ that be 100% satisfied before you enroll, because this is entirely about your future ना. So your future is your decision ultimately. No one should be taking that decision for you. So attend tomorrow's one class. कुछ भी नहीं होगा, मतलब चलो नहीं भी ज्वाइन करोगे तो डर्माटोलॉजी तो आधा सीख जाओगे. अटेंड टुमारोज क्लास, सी द वाइब ऑफ इट, सी हाउ यू फील व्हेन यू आर स्टडिंग विद so many other students live in class rather than studying all alone when you're sitting with your video lectures. देखो आपको वो फिट होता है, डज दैट सिस्टम फिट विद योर सिस्टम? कैन यू फील कि हाँ मुझे पता, मे बी आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ 7 hours यू विल से खुद से तो आई वॉज नॉट लिसनिंग टू 7 hours ऑफ वीडियो लेक्चर्स एट अ स्ट्रेच. मैम ने छोटा छोटा ब्रेक दे के पढ़ा दिया तो मैंने पढ़ लिया. मे बी यू लाइक दैट सिस्टम एंड देन यू विल बी, सो व्हेन यू जॉइन समथिंग विद कॉन्फिडेंस देन यू फॉलो इट अप फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. एक बार कल की क्लास अटेंड करो, नहीं भी ज्वाइन करोगे तो डर्माटोलॉजी पढ़ जाओगे, कुछ तो फ़ायदा होके जाएगा ना. तो अटेंड टुमारोज क्लास. Yes, Dr. Lavleet. Whatever subjects you've not studied on your own from main videos, now you can do them directly from these classes. Yes, you will be able to download the PDF. Okay. Regarding Dr. Ali, regarding the PDF, regarding the link that you're asking for the Telegram, वो अभी कल से start होगा ना, तो you will get that. Don't worry. Telegram का group का link you will get. What is the difficulty level of this JAN FMG? Students told me, I don't know. I mean, for the first time, I'm saying students बोल रहे हैं. Some students said paper was easy. I thought होगा easy. But when I heard questions of my subjects, then I heard questions of other subjects. And then I realized paper was far away from easy. Paper was moderate and above moderate. I wouldn't say toughest paper आया, difficult आया नहीं. Above moderate तो definitely है. Because with so many subjects I saw, PYTs have become फेडिंग अवे, ऑब्सोलीट होता जा रहा है. दे आर नॉट ओनली डूइंग कि वो 100% PYTs में से पेपर आ जाएगा. यू आर गेटिंग न्यूअर टॉपिक्स, यू आर गेटिंग सेम क्वेश्चन इन अ ट्विस्टेड फॉर्मेट. ऑप्शंस, जो क्वेश्चन पता भी था ना वो सो सिंपल, देयर ऑप्शंस वर वेरी क्लोज, ऑप्शंस वर वेरी ट्रिकी. तो द डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल इज़ इंक्रीजिंग ऑन every session basis. And why do you think that prior to this we never had live classes? Because we never felt the need कि अब recording इनको दिया हुआ है, why should we overburden them with so many things? Why do you think it is only this batch that we started off with live classes, where we had the option of starting it for so many years earlier also? Reason being that now we feel that the difficulty level is such that only by listening to recorded videos आपका वो integration हो नहीं पा रहा. You are not able to catch के problem कहाँ है, where do I have to pay more attention on, because you're listening to a recording. And that recording finishes off your syllabus beautifully. Students have cracked the exam. But exam में वो गलती कैसे पकड़ना है, that something, that hand holding is required. And we realize discipline. एग्ज़ाम में जुलाई में एग्ज़ाम है तो जैन फेब तो स्टूडेंट्स का ऐसे ही जा रहा है, दे आर नॉट स्टडिंग. मार्च फर्स्ट सडनली दे वेक अप एंड दे लाइक, ओ नो आई हैव टू स्टडी, हाउ विल आई फिनिश, आई हैव ओनली 60 days. देन व्हाट दे डू, रैपिड रिविजन भी नहीं होता, देन दे कम डाउन टू LRR एंड देन दे सफ़र. सो डिसिप्लिन एंड हैंड होल्डिंग, दीज आर द टू मेन मोटिव्स बिहाइंड स्टार्टिंग दिस बैच फॉर यू गाइज. Stuck in the loop, give me some tips, Dr. Ayush. पहली टिप, irrespective of 1 2 3 attempts, 148 149, वो सब चीज़ों को साइड करो. फॉर एनी FMG स्टूडेंट ओवर हियर, someone told me the other day that ma'am I got 149 3 times. This is the most unfortunate heartbreaking thing I hear, because 149 is your one question away from clearing this exam. So 149 के बाद that person told me that ma'am I feel like it's 149 is zero, बिकॉज मैंने पास तो करा नहीं, तो वो 149 ज़ीरो के बराबर है. एंड आई एम सो अगेंस्ट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ योर्स. 149 का मतलब होता है दैट यू हैव गॉट 149 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट. इट इज़ नॉट अ जोक. हाँ, I understand you didn't get your certificate and you didn't get your pass certificate and your license to practice and all of that, वो सब मुझे समझ आया. बट 149 को सबसे पहले ज़ीरो मानना छोड़ना पड़ेगा ना. 149 का मतलब होता है कि आपको 149 टॉपिक्स और 149 क्वेश्चंस आते थे. सो फर्स्ट अपने आप को वो क्रेडिट देना पड़ेगा ना डॉक्टर आयुष, कि मुझे आता था. अब उसके बाद यू विल हैव टू गेट ओवर द हैंग, यू नो, दैट एंटायर थिंग दैट आई हैव नॉट क्रैक्ड इट अर्लियर, आई विल नॉट क्रैक इट अगेन. वो माइंडसेट हटाना पड़ेगा. तो पहले तो बैक एंड पे आपको बहुत काम करना है. आपको अपने 140 149 को क्रेडिट देना है दैट आई डिड सम हार्ड वर्क, तो आई रीच टिल देन ना. ज़ीरो तो नहीं आए थे मेरे. सेकेंड, वट एवर हैज हैपन्ड इन द पास्ट, आई विल हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ दैट एंड नाउ आई विल हैव टू कम टू द फैक्ट दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड फ्रॉम हेयर. तो बिल्ड करने के लिए मुझे पहले का भूलना पड़ेगा. वट एवर रॉन्ग हैपेंड हैपेंड, दैट वॉज नॉट माई डे डजेंट मीन द नेक्स्ट विल नॉट बी माई डे. हिस्ट्री बार बार तो रिपीट नहीं करेगी ना. सो आई जस्ट नीड टू बी फोकस्ड नाउ कि जो हुआ सो हुआ, जाने दो, लेट इट गो इन द पास्ट, डम्प इट. नाउ आई लेट मी स्टार्ट अफ्रेश. टुडे इट्स January 18th, टुमारो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद डर्माटोलॉजी. यहाँ से स्टार्ट योर लाइफ इन अ न्यू फॉर्मेट विदाउट गोइंग बैक के पहले नहीं हुआ, क्या गलती हुई थी, उसे ओवर एनालाइज नहीं करो. स्टार्ट करो, फॉलो दिस टाइम टेबल, फॉलो सिंपल स्ट्रैटेजी. this entire timetable is going to be very boring, by the way I'm telling you. Reason being, life कैसा बन जाएगा ना. 7 hours you will study every day, 4 hours you will revise, 2 hours you will do MCQ. सोने का और खाने का टाइम बचेगा at the max. 1 hour at the max you will get a break for just silence in your life. It's going to be a very very boring journey. Trust me, the more boring the journey, the better the outcome for everything in life, guys. Reason being कि आप जितना इसको फैंसी बनाना चाहोगे ना, let's do peds in the morning, let's do path in the afternoon, let's do derma, three subjects I'm seeing students are taking together. 10 दिन के एंड पे ना पीड्स हुई, ना पैथ हुई, ना डर्मा हुआ, कुछ भी खत्म नहीं हुआ. यू ट्राइंग टू मेक इट वेरी फैंसी ना, एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, एंड दैट इज़ वेर यू विल सफ़र. जितना बेसिक लाइफ में भी और एग्ज़ाम में भी बेसिक, एंड जितना बोरिंग you keep your routine na, you will realize the outcome will be the best at the end of it. तो this entire thing is very boring. क्लास करो, पढ़ाई करो, क्लास अटेंड करो, रिविजन करो, MCQ करो. इमेजिन डूइंग 3 things फॉर फ्रॉम जैन टू जुलाई. इससे ज़्यादा बोरिंग कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता कि लाइफ में सिर्फ सेम पैटर्न है. सुबह उठो, यू अटेंड द क्लास, शाम को यू रिवाइज द सेशन, यू डू योर क्वेश्चंस, यू टेक अ ब्रेक, यू स्लीप ऑफ. इफ़ यू कैन डू दिस, अब ये तो वी कैन टेल यू, करना किसको है, आपको करना है. इफ़ यू कैन डू दिस फॉर द नेक्स्ट 6 or 5 months, आई कैन गारंटी आफ्टर दैट कि एग्ज़ाम टफ आए, मॉडरेट आए, ईजी आए, आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा. बट ये आपको एक पैटर्न विदाउट, मतलब नो ज़ीरो डेज क्या होता है, दैट नो मैटर वॉट, कुछ भी हो, मतलब इवन इफ़, आई नो इट साउंड्स बैड, इवन इफ़ यू आर अनवेल, ट्राई करो कि अगर पॉसिबल है फिजिकली 1 घंटा तो पढ़ना ही है, तब भी पढ़ना है. एट द बैक ऑफ योर माइंड एवरी सिंगल डे शुड बी लाइक, कुछ भी हो, नो मैटर वॉट इज़ हैपनिंग इन माई लाइफ, पर्सनल लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, फाइनेंशियली कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, फैमिली में कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, हर चीज़ का सोल्यूशन निकलेगा जब आप ये एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करोगे ना. अब इन सारी प्रॉब्लम्स के बीच में यू डोंट वांट दैट अनदर प्रॉब्लम शुड कम इन योर लाइफ कि मेरा एग्जाम भी क्लियर नहीं हुआ. तो पर्सनल लाइफ में भी प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, मे बी देर आर सम फैमिली इशूज़ हैपनिंग, मे बी देर आर सम फाइनेंशियल इशूज़ एट होम, मे बी आई एम गोइंग थ्रू सम मेडिकल इशूज़. तो इमेजिन ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आई ऐड वन मोर इशू कि देखो एग्जाम भी क्लियर नहीं हुआ. यू आर जस्ट मेकिंग थिंग्स वर्स. अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में कुछ एक चीज़ बेटर बना सकते हो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, दैट इज़ एग्ज़ाम तो क्लियर करो. बाकी तो धीरे धीरे सॉल्व होगा ना। पर्सनल लाइफ इश्यूज धीरे धीरे ठीक हो जाएंगे, फैमिली इश्यूज हैं धीरे धीरे ठीक होंगे, मेडिकल इश्यूज है यू विल ग्रेजुअली गेट देयर, इफ़ यू हैव एनी फाइनेंशियल ट्रबल यू विल ग्रेजुअली बी ओके। बट एग्ज़ाम अभी क्लियर कर सकते हो, जो प्रॉब्लम आप अभी क्लियर कर सकते हो, सॉल्व कर सकते हो, वो तो करो, वर्क ऑन इट, डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन कर लो, गारंटीज माइन यू विल क्लियर दिस एग्जाम। थर्ड ईयर इफ समवन इज इन, आई वुड सजेस्ट वेट करो, अभी यू ऑलरेडी हैव योर यूनिवर्सिटी टू टेक केयर ऑफ ना। अगर तो नहीं पढ़ाई हो रही, अगर ज़्यादा वहाँ नहीं है काम करने को, देर आर नॉट टू मेनी क्लासेस हैपनिंग, देन यू कैन ज्वाइन। बट इफ़ यू हैव क्लासेस टू अटेंड देयर ऑल्सो, देन हाउ विल यू मैनेज दिस ना। देन यहाँ पर भी रोज़ क्लास, वहाँ पे भी रोज़, ना उधर फोकस करोगे ना इधर करोगे। तो माई टाइम, सम थिंग्स यू हैव टू डू एट द राइट टाइम। वॉच लाइव सेशन और ट्राई टू रीड आर नोट्स। डॉक्टर अवनीश, माई एडवाइस विल बी, जो नोट्स पढ़े हैं वो विजुअल मेमोरी मेंटेन करो, टेक द सेम नोट्स एंड लिसन टू द लाइव क्लासेस, विल देन बी अ डबल री एनफोर्समेंट फॉर यू ना, कि आप वही चीज़ दोबारा सुन रहे हो। सो जस्ट लिसन टू देम ऑल ओवर अगेन, दैट्स इट। Dr. Vishal, see, as a faculty, आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम इन डूइंग दिस इन इंग्लिश, बट जैसा मैंने कहा, हमें एक ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट करना है जहाँ पे कोई भी स्टूडेंट हो उसे आने से पहले ऐसा ना लगे कि आई एम नॉट वांटेड ओवर हियर और आई एम नॉट इंक्लूडेड ओवर हियर। तो सोचो, अगर आपको कोई लैंग्वेज समझ ही नहीं आती, इफ़ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, एंड मैं आपको उसी लैंग्वेज में 6 आवर्स 7 आवर्स पढ़ा के चली जाऊँ, विल यू वॉन्ट टू कम द नेक्स्ट डे? नहीं। So that is the reason that predominantly we will do in English, because we have a lot of students जिन्हें बिल्कुल भी हिंदी समझ नहीं आती, ज़ीरो। तो उनके साथ फिर, yes, I understand that you understand better when I teach a concept in English. So that's what I said, कि अगर आपको कोई concept समझना है तो we will also have English in between. But then for students who don't understand, I will repeat everything in English for sure. तो English तो predominantly mode of teaching रहेगा. In between, yes, as per the student demand for concepts, I will explain it in English also. सिलेबस कंप्लीट होने के बाद रिवीजन होगा, रिवीजन विल बी मोर ऑफ अ TND फॉर्मेट, नॉट थ्योरी दोबारा तो नहीं रिवाइज करेंगे, वो तो फिर मतलब टाइम ही नहीं बचेगा इतना, एंड ऑल्सो फिर आप सेल्फ स्टडी कब करोगे। सो रिवीजन विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ TND. Okay, regarding remembering, Dr. Mehul, it's a very common thing, not just in fourth year, throughout your MBBS and further profession. आप पढ़ोगे and भूलोगे, you will read and you will forget. The only thing is that that's why I said, what you study once, you will have to reinforce it 3 times over. So let's assume you are doing this, let's take one of the tougher subjects. PSM, do you think एक बार में याद होगा? Or even if you read it today, do you think you will remember? Anyone will remember it after 10 days? नहीं. That is exactly why when I've kept 5 days for PSM, ideally what you're supposed to do, आज जो पढ़ा, you will revise it शाम को. Tomorrow when you will do this day 2, शाम को you will revise both the days. That is how you should be doing. Means पिछले दिन का तो यू शुड बी एबल टू रिवाइज इन 1 hour ना, बिकॉज वो कल पढ़ा, देन यू रिवाइज्ड इट वंस, तो 2 बार तो हो गया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट डे इफ आई से दोबारा रिवाइज करो, देन दिस मीन्स इन 1 hour यू शुड बी डन. सो ऑन डे 2 यू विल बी रिवाइजिंग दोनों दिन का. देन व्हेन यू कम टू डे 3, आइडियली यू शुड बी फ्लिपिंग पेजेस ऑफ ऑल 3 days. रिपीटेड रिविजन्स कहते हैं, स्पेस्ड रिविजन्स कहते हैं. टिल दिस डे कम्स यू शुड बी डन विद रिविजन एवरी सिंगल डे, एंड आफ्टर दिस इज ओवर you will realize कि अच्छा अब तो नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट शुरू हो गया, now you can't revise PSM. So then when you will come to the TNDs, or when you will come to break days, that is when you will be revising it. So वो spaced revision तो you will have to do. That is something which requires a lot of discipline, but आपको करना पड़ेगा. रिविजन के बिना सब भूल जाएंगे. डॉक्टर मेहुल, you are not the first one. हम सबके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है, हम सब भूल जाते हैं. एग्जिस्टिंग रिकॉर्डिंग्स अपडेट नहीं हो रही डॉक्टर नयन. द रिकॉर्डिंग्स वर अपडेटेड एग्जैक्टली इन द मंथ ऑफ मे लास्ट ईयर. तो तब से मई से लेके जनवरी में देर इज़ नथिंग विच इज़ वेरी न्यू दैट हैज़ कम अप इन द फील्ड ऑफ मेडिसिन. सो अगर हम सारी वीडियोज़ बदल देंगे, स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव सीन द वीडियोज़ इन एवरी 8 months, इफ़ वी चेंज द वीडियोज़, तो कंटिन्यूटी नहीं आएगा ना. स्टूडेंट ने वो वीडियो देखा, ही हैज़ अ सर्टन विजुअल मेमोरी. आफ्टर 10 months अगेन आई चेंज इट. हाँ, इफ़ देर इज़ एनी अपडेट वी विल अपडेट दैट. Like in sickle cell anemia, there is an update. So that I'm going to change in the main videos and the rapid revision. एक sentence का update है. Now for that one sentence, should I change the entire video lecture which someone is watching since 8 months? That doesn't seem right. But yes, in the future and in this year only, there will be, I mean, आप लोगों के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है, आपका एग्ज़ाम हो चुका होगा. But for students after June, July, you will see changes in rapid revision videos because we will be recording them again. Now it's been, I think, over 1 year. So some updates will be there, proper re-record होगा. But that is not for you guys. Your exam will be done by June, July. So आपको नहीं देखना पड़ेगा, so don't worry about it. Will you be teaching from basics or will it be like a revision? And someone said, please cover everything. No, it's not like a revision. We will start with basics. I'm not saying basics as in a first year MBBS student wala basic. What is pathology say I am not going to start. वैसे नहीं होगा. But do you want to say that will I, like in cell injury chapter, will I straight away say chalo let's study apoptosis in 5 minutes? No, I will not do that. Even if you look at my rapid revision videos, many of you must have. I don't think in any video lecture I have done something like कि ये तो आपने already पढ़ा हुआ है, so this is just one sentence. No, even in my rapid revision videos, I have started from the first line. Most common cause of cell injury is hypoxia. वहाँ से rapid revision video शुरू होता है. Even for myocardial infarction, I have started. Who doesn't know कि MI में left sided chest pain होता है? Non-medico को भी पता है. But my video lecture starts from there. Even in rapid revision, there is left sided chest pain. So it's not that we are going to jump straight away to ECG and बाकी सब भूल जाएंगे. It will include basics also. That's why I'm saying right now you have a lot of doubts that कैसे होगा because new thing ना. तो कल वाली class has been kept open for everyone for this reason. आप एक बार देख लोगे आपको पूरा ही समझ आ जाएगा exactly क्या होने वाला है. Then take your decision that am I fit for this course or not. Open to attending tomorrow's पूरी class attend करो. Full day whatever timing will happen it will be available for everyone. Attend the class, interact with the faculty, look at the PDF, कैसे पढ़ा रहे हैं, कितना पढ़ा रहे हैं, compare it with rapid revision, compare it with main videos. Never ever fall into any trap with, before you are fully convinced. Never ever take up anything. So if कोई भी doubt है ना, I am तो saying मत खरीदो आज. Don't enroll for Resolve. Attend one class tomorrow, then take your decision. उसकी recorded videos मिलेंगी. Yes, Dr. Vishal, I've told you, recorded मिलेंगी. Is there any major difference between rapid revision and resolve classes? It's live, it's discipline, and I would say it's a little more than rapid revision because since we are going live, we will be able to interact with you, know आपको कौन से topics में problem है, add on more topics. So it's a middle ground between rapid revision and main videos. Yes, the videos will be available till the end of your exam. No, Dr. Alam, till wherever your subscription is तभी तक available रहेगा ना, not till December. Okay, so I think I've sorted most of the questions. कुछ और doubts होंगे, reach out to me. All of you are a part of the Telegram group. कुछ भी और doubt रहता है, reach out to us on Telegram, reach out to us on the helpline. Whatever doubts are there, you can solve. फिर भी अगर कोई doubt है, my तो advice is best is experience something and decide. सुनी सुनाई बातों पे जाओ ही मत. जस्ट अटेंड अ क्लास. उससे अच्छा तो यू कैन नॉट गेट एनी हैंग ऑफ द सिचुएशन ना. अटेंड दैट क्लास एंड यू विल नो दैट्स अबाउट इट. बट what I'll want to end this session is on, this is all what I told you as a faculty, as a person who's going to teach you subjects, very strictly I've given you a timetable. Now as a friend, what I started off, as a mentor, what I started off, I will end on that only. कि जितना भी आपको कोई पढ़ा दे, I teach you, someone else teaches you, some other platform teaches you, doesn't matter. Till the time आप वो PDF शाम को, when the noise is cut off, when the dust will settle, till the time you don't take that PDF and you're sitting in complete isolation, pin drop silence, और आप उस PDF और उस notes के साथ खुद का रिविजन नहीं करोगे, no one on this planet can make you clear any exam. Because सब कुछ एक तरफ 70-75% वर्क इज़ डन, बट वो जो एक्स्ट्रा 25% आपको अपनी तरफ से देना है, उसका कोई रिप्लेसमेंट है ही नहीं. No chat GPT, no AI, no teacher and no platform can be a replacement of that self study जो end of the day आपको खुद ही करनी पड़ेगी. There is no AI that will take care of that. So वो तो आपको करना है, उसके बिना you will not clear this exam. Telling you very bluntly, very straightforward manner कि वो एक effort है जिसके बिना किसी ने भी exam clear आज तक करा नहीं है, तो वो आप ही कर सकते हो. Perfect. Definitely. Someone who's saying, ये one more thing for FMG students, when to start the preparation वाला question भी मुझे बहुत funny लगता है. That should I start now or should I start when I will clear my MBBS? Syllabus is the same. The earlier the better. आप early move advantage क्यों नहीं लेना चाहते? Why are you waiting for that one fine day that when my university will be over, then I will go back home or I will go to Delhi or I will go to Gautam Nagar or I will go anywhere else, देन आई विल स्टार्ट माई प्रेपरेशन. क्यों, किस बात का वेट कर रहे हो? सिलेबस चेंज हो जाएगा या कुछ नया आ जाएगा मेडिकल फील्ड में? वेर एवर यू आर स्टार्ट, वट एवर सब्जेक्ट यू आर रीडिंग, रीड इट फॉर योर यूनिवर्सिटी, डू द क्वेश्चन बैंक अलॉन्ग साइड ना. स्टार्ट टुडे, irrespective of you're in first second third fourth year, doesn't matter, बिकॉज सिलेबस तो सेम है. जब पढ़ ही रहे हो तो क्वेश्चन भी कर लो, काम ख़त्म करो. आधा अधूरा काम क्यों करते हो? व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग द नोट्स, व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग द वीडियो लेक्चर्स, यू आर रीडिंग एवरीथिंग, तो फिर वो सिर्फ एक एक्स्ट्रा आवर के लिए विच यू हैव टू डू द क्यू बैंक, वाई आर यू स्टॉपिंग देयर? डू दैट ऑल्सो. तो देन वो वही उसी को बोलते हैं प्रेपरेशन फॉर एफ एम जी एग्ज़ाम, और तो कुछ नहीं है. प्रेपरेशन फॉर एफ एम जी एग्ज़ाम इज़ वीडियो लेक्चर प्लस क्यू बैंक ओनली ना. So that you can do in even third year, you can do in fourth year, you can do in fifth year. That's perfectly fine. Yes, Dr. Pratham, I'm going to talk to the team, and if not today, then by obviously tomorrow when your class starts, Telegram will be sorted for all of you. Dr. Ayushi, till the validity of the subscription, not till April 30th. It's not that April 30th को सारे video lectures गायब हो जाएंगे, because you have an exam, right? So you will need those video lectures again. You will need those PDFs again. So this will be till your subscription, definitely. TNDs are going to be a part of this plan only, Dr. Pranjal. ये TNDs आपको super elite में ही मिल रहे हैं, अलग से नहीं है. They are a part of this plan. Is it wrong to do questions from other sources? No. Questions कहीं से भी कर लो आप. I mean, I would want that you are studying here, you do the Q bank here, everything in one place. But if you feel confident of doing questions somewhere else, no one is stopping you. आप कर सकते हो. एग्जामिनर ऐसा थोड़ी है कि वो समवन हैज़ कम फ्रॉम प्रेप लैडर तो चलो इनको सिर्फ प्रेप लैडर के क्वेश्चंस देंगे. समवन हैज़ कम फ्रॉम सम ABCD प्लेटफॉर्म तो उसी के क्वेश्चंस देंगे. एग्जामिनर तो कहीं भी क्वेश्चंस देगा, कहीं से भी. So if you want to do questions, GTs, and I to say it even on sitting on this platform, I say this, that if uh, theory you're doing from one platform, QBank also you're doing from one platform, but if GT of some other platform is free for one day, why don't you take that advantage and give it? फ्री में अगर आपको GT मिल रहा है तो वाई शुड यू नॉट? यू विल गेट अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव कि अच्छा यहाँ की फैकल्टीज़ ने ऐसा पेपर सेट करा बट वहाँ की फैकल्टीज़ ने कैसा पेपर सेट करा. इफ़ नॉलेज इज़ ऑल अराउंड यू तो टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ इट ना. तो GT तो हर प्लेटफॉर्म का देना चाहिए. एनी फ्री में होता है तो देना ही चाहिए. इफ़ यू हैव एनी फ्री मॉक एग्जाम्स, गो फॉर इट, गिव इट, देर इज़ नो हार्म. नीट PG लाइव क्लासेस, थोड़ा सा टाइम, 2 दिन का टाइम आई हैव आस्क्ड फॉर. आई विल ओनली बी कमिंग फॉर द ओरिएंटेशन सेशन, डोंट वरी. तो आई एम द वन हुज आंसरेबल. आई विल टेल यू एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट. आई डोंट वांट टू गिव यू हाफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. उस हाफ इन्फॉर्मेशन पे आप कुछ प्रोडक्ट खरीद लो, लेटर ऑन यू फील बिट्रेड. आई वॉन्ट यू टू सी दिस, लाइक राइट नाउ आई हैव शोन यू द इंटायर ब्लू प्रिंट. ऐसे चलेगा, ये होने वाला है, ये टाइमिंग्स है. नाउ यू बाय it is you are satisfied, then you will purchase something. For NEET PG, give me 2 days, I will only come for the orientation session and I will tell you everything by after that. My advice to you. If you studied 10% till now, will attending this help you? Yes, Dr. Samiksha, it will help you. It will help you. Okay, so I think we've settled most of the questions. कुछ doubts रहे होंगे. I'll just convert them over Telegram. कुछ भी और doubt है, just post it there. And if I have the knowledge of it, I will answer it. अगर कुछ technical related हुआ, I will tell someone from Prep Ladder to answer it. So either way आपका doubt solve हो जाएगा. And tomorrow also I'll tell someone from the team to join the chat so that in the derma after the derma class is over, अगर किसी को कुछ परचेज एटसेट्रा रिलेटेड इश्यूज है तो दैट यू कैन सेटल विद देम. सो वील टेक केयर ऑफ दैट, वील टेक केयर ऑफ यू. कोई और डाउट्स हैं? जस्ट आई एम जस्ट एंडिंग दिस सेशन नाउ, बट एनी अदर डाउट्स यू हैव, लेट्स टेक इट अप ऑन टेलीग्राम, पोस्ट इट देयर, वी विल गेट बैक टू यू. ठीक है? Yeah, you will get to know, Dr. Bhuvna. We were not planning to do that. But you know, when you are like, for example, today you told me that, ma'am, for tomorrow, can you tell me आप क्या पढ़ाने वाले हो? I'll tell you that tomorrow I'm going to teach you genetics and neoplasia and immunology, for example, जो भी topic चल रहा है. I'll tell you that tomorrow this is what I'm going to teach you. You want to study beforehand and come. Trust me, that will be the best thing if you can accommodate that. So there are some things which are not written in the blueprint because it is just how your faculties are going to be interacting with you. So some things you will have to openly tell your faculties. कि like for example dermatology में अगर आपको लगा कि lichen planus मुझे बार बार क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है, pemphigus बार बार क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है, but when is ma'am going to teach it? You can ask her. We are not bad people, we will not scold you, we are not strict teachers, we are very friendly people. तो जो भी आप चाहोगे, we are open to adjustment. कि मैम tomorrow can you teach Bullous disorders? I will teach you, ma'am will teach you. So everything cannot be written over here. Some things when we talk to students, like right now you give such a good idea कि अगले दिन के topics पहले से बता दो, we will incorporate that. We are open to incorporating things. Okay, so regarding offers and validities, what I think there are now the only doubts left are those. I'll tell Prep Ladder to put this up officially. कि whenever you purchase, till when do you have the validity and till when can you access the live lectures. I will tell them up to put this up officially so that if you have any doubt that is also cleared. तो आज ही आपको ये भी clarity मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? Yes, Dr. Naveen, if you watch the main videos in major subjects, you're good to go. See, just because I have given you a live class schedule and you are a part of it, no one has kind of bound you to it. बीच में अगर आपका मन करे that oh in my university I had read PSM from main videos, मुझे तो already, let's assume मुझे तो already आता है, maybe I don't need 6 days of PSM over here, I can do it in 3 days क्योंकि मैंने तो 2 बार पढ़ा हुआ है. तो ठीक है ना, no one is forcing you to come and sit in class. 2-3 subjects if you want to do on your own because you're confident, do it. That is fine. That much of mix and match, permutation, combination, वो तो करना ही पड़ता है for everything. And you're saving time. Maybe you feel I'm very confident with psychiatry. I don't want to do 3 days of psychiatry. Maybe you are repeating this exam. आपने पहले पढ़ रखा है, आपको आता है. So then you don't need maybe those many days. तो आपने decide करा कि rather than doing 3 days of psychiatry, I will do it on my own in 1 day and 2 days I will maybe join class in between. Live class तो चल ही रहा है, बीच बीच में I will join. I will directly join for TND and the remaining 2 days I will study कुछ और. I will revise pathology, I will revise microbiology, I will revise biochemistry. Mix and match तो करना ही पड़ेगा. That is a part of every schedule that you are going to make. Even when you make timetables, do you follow the timetable for 6 months? नहीं होता ना, बीच में आते हैं. हम तो follow करेंगे. This is a timetable where live classes will happen. But do you think you will have to make some adjustments to it based on your backlog? Yes. ठीक है. Regarding for repeaters, Dr. Harikrishnan, there is no separate batch starting. For FMG, this is the only batch. So if you want to start off, start now. Okay. I think I'm getting a lot of questions regarding the validity. As per my knowledge, till whenever your validity is there, you will have the video lectures. But still, as I said, I would never want to give you knowledge which might turn out to be harmful for you later on. तो अब that's the only doubt जो मुझे अभी तक लग रहा है pending है, which I want extra clarity on. I will now tell Prep Ladder to put up an official post or a story or something or on Telegram where it will be written कि your validity is till whatever date you have purchased it till. So that you have that clarity कि हाँ, this is exactly how the situation is. Live video will be available live only on that day, but the recording of that video live तो उसी दिन चलेगा, but recording तो forever रहेगा till whenever your app has subscription, till whenever your app has validity, the live video, the recorded video will stay in it. How many students in this FMG batch? That we will know from tomorrow, because actually we will know from day after, because the first 2 days are open for everyone. Tomorrow's class is free for all, so tomorrow everyone is going to join. From day after tomorrow, only the people who have enrolled for this batch, they will be there. So then we will have a final number. The number honestly should not matter to you, because you have to focus on what you are studying. साथ में अब 5 लोग पढ़ें या 500 पढ़ें, that is their problem. Your problem is just your syllabus. Yes, Dr. Samiksha, you are right. You are right. जहाँ तक वैलिडिटी है एलीट प्लान का तब तक तो रहेगा ना. द वीडियो लेक्चर्स विल नॉट वैनिश. Perfect. So I think we are settled. We are good to go. I'll keep meeting you in between, of course. I'll meet you predominantly a lot in Feb, again in March. But as a part of the mentorship program, I think I will meet you quite often in this entire thing. So, yes, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to the team. As I said earlier, we are friendly people. We are ready to help you. But yes, tomorrow at least on priority, कल वाली class तो attend करो. बिकॉज और भी जो थोड़ा सा 1% डाउट है ना अभी दिमाग में, कैसा होगा क्या होगा टाइप्स, ऑल ऑफ दैट विल बी सेटल्ड. सो टेक दैट early move advantage, join tomorrow and decide for yourself. Perfect. Thank you so much for joining in, guys, and see you very soon. We'll keep meeting in mentorship programs and in classes. But I hope this plan works for you. For us as a team also, we are very excited, because obviously when you're doing something for the very first time, तो बहुत extra planning जाती है चीज़ों में. So we are very excited that we made an entire plan. As faculties, we have multiple discussions. The team back end पे has worked a lot that ये सब smoothly हो. So many people have worked that no, this subject should happen before this subject. Like, I was very certain that I want anatomy ho chuka ho, then I should be teaching pathology, but then medicine se pehle I want to teach pathology. So these discussions have been ongoing since the past 1 month, and after that 1 month we have come up with this plan कि अच्छा ये एक order follow होगा, so these students will benefit. They won't have a problem in integration. ऐसा नहीं है that anatomy का पता ही नहीं है and सीधा आप ENT पढ़ रहे हो. तो ENT का नोज फैरिंग्स लैरिंग्स तो सब तब समझ आएगा ना जब एनाटॉमी पहले पढ़ रखा होगा. सो देर हैज़ बिन अ सर्टन थॉट प्रोसेस विच हैज़ गॉन इन टू फ्रेमिंग दिस टाइम टेबल. सो वीव डन दैट एफर्ट फॉर यू. नाउ योर वर्क इज़ डेडिकेशन. बस डेडिकेशन एंड डिसिप्लिन आप हमें दे दो, सो दिस एंटायर टाइम टेबल विल बी अ सक्सेस. दैट्स ऑल. Perfect. Thank you so much. And any other doubts, please reach out to me on Telegram. And if I can answer, well and good. If I can't, I will get in some Prep Ladder team people. They will sort your doubts. कुछ technical app related है तो वो solve कर देंगे. For students who already enrolled, you will be getting a Telegram link shortly, so don't worry about that. ठीक है? Okay. Thank you so much for joining in. All the best for this new start. Start with a positive mindset, and I'm sure everything will fall in place. Thank you so much.